Today, let's check out this retractable garden hose that the brand sent over to us and compensated us for this video. But this is really going to upgrade our old hose situation. The first thing that we did notice is the build. It's got a metal shaft inside instead of a plastic one, which tells us it's definitely not going to have any weird cracks or leaks like we've had in the past with some other ones. We've had some before where they started dripping or splitting after a summer in the sun, but this one is definitely built to last. It does come with 100 feet of hose, which has been great for reaching across the yard without dragging and tangling everything up. What we really love though is how it retracts. The spring is super smooth and it pulls back slowly instead of whipping around, so you're not worried about it snapping your hand. The track system inside is really smart too. It guides the hose back evenly so it doesn't twist or knot up, which can save us a ton of time because we're not having to stop and untangle it every few minutes. Plus, the casing is weather resistant, so it doesn't fade or get brittle even in the sun and rain. We're putting ours out right in the weather on this post of our deck, so it's not going to have any cover, but we're not even worried about it because of that strong casing. Mounting it was actually really easy. It does come with everything you need. Once it's set up, it's solid. It doesn't even budge when you're pulling the hose out all the way. And I love that it has the swivel so it can go 180 degrees. All in all, it's one of those things where you realize how much easier life is once you have it. No more wrestling with hoses, no puddles from leaks, and no frustration at the end of the day. Just pull it out, water what we need, give it a light tug, and it packs itself right away. We absolutely love it. We hope you do too, and I hope this video helps.